Alright, we're dealing with the impact screwdriver set from Harbor Freight. Item number 37530. And unfortunately, this thing doesn't come with an instruction set, so it's a little confusing to use. I've taken it apart. I'll show you how it kind of works. It is reversible. They didn't put much grease in this puppy, but it is reversible. So when you take the handle off, this is what you get. You also get two of these, a cap and a ball. One to go on each side. Obviously there's a groove inside that, I don't know, dictates what direction you're tightening or loosening. You also have this thing that fits on there, and a C-clamp of some sorts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little grease in there to make things work a little easier. I'm going to use this. It's a crystal red grease. And that should help it work a lot better. But that's how it works. 2 caps, 2 balls, this, and a C-clamp that goes on the end of it right here. So once again, let's take a look at how that works. It takes a lot of effort, hopefully with a little grease. It won't be very hard.